This may seem like a very insignificant point, but trust me, it's not. Person will मैं बात भी नहीं कर पा the right person will eventually come into your life. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ishpreet. I am a mindset and manifestation coach. And क्या आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर कितनी स्नो हो रही है actually? Oh my god, guys, I saw the most beautiful snowflakes for the first time in my life. मुझे लगता था वो सिर्फ Instagram पे आती हैं ऐसी photos, but it's real. वो जो snowflakes है वो actual में होती है, guys. Okay, let's not get distracted and coming back to the point. This video is going to be about the top 5 signs that you're not ready to be in a relationship. Now, if even one of these signs resonate with you, just know that this is your sign to start to reflect inwards and see कि आपको कहाँ पर काम करना है to actually become that person who's ready to be in a relationship. क्योंकि हम सबको लगता है कि oh, I need that special someone in my life. I need to find my soulmate, but I can't find him. I am not able to find him. मतलब वो जो lack रहता है हमारे अंदर कि यार I don't know, I just can't find the right person. Probably that's not what you need to do. Probably you don't need to hunt for the right person. You just need to fix these things, and in turn, the right person will eventually. मैं बात भी नहीं कर पा the right person will eventually come into your life. So let's just begin with the first point. You have a lot of negative self-talk going on. अगर आप उन लोगों में से एक हो जो कि हर वक्त अपने आप को कोसते हो, हर वक्त अपने आप में खामियां निकालते हो, faults निकालते हो, and you're like, oh my god, I'm so stupid, oh my god, I'm so silly. When you make a mistake, if this is how you sound, अगर कुछ भी गलत होता है आपकी लाइफ में, you start to blame yourself. जब आप अपने आप को कांच में देखते हो, आप अपने आप में सिर्फ faults ढूंढते हो. मेरा पेट मोटा है, मेरे पैर बड़े, मेरे पैर छोटे. Anything, जब भी आप negative self-talk करते हो, that just means that you aren't really ready to be in a relationship because there's a lot of self-love that still needs to be worked on in your case. जब तक आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करोगे, how do you expect someone else to fall in love with you? Ask yourself that. Second point, आप compliments accept नहीं कर पाते. Like with grace and with gratitude. This may seem like a very insignificant point, but trust me, it's not. It's not because it says a lot about the way that you feel about yourself. जब आप compliment accept नहीं कर पाते किसी से, उसका मतलब ये होता है कि you don't feel you are deserving of that compliment. You don't feel you're even worthy of that compliment, जिसका मतलब then in turn ये होता है कि you have self-doubts. You have limiting beliefs about yourself. You have these thoughts that make you feel like, oh, no. I don't think so. What you're saying is true. So you try to dodge it. You try to avoid it. And you don't have the confidence to accept the compliment saying, hey, thanks. I mean, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You don't have to be cocky about it. You can be very grateful about when someone gives you a compliment because a lot of people fall into that category. मैं भी एक टाइम पर ऐसा सोचती थी कि मुझे compliments accept करने में बहुत weird लगता था. It used to become an awkward moment because I used to feel like, oh, I don't want to come across as someone who's being cocky just because he's gotten a compliment. But then I started to understand just saying thank you with a grateful heart is enough. That's all you need to do. Point number 3. आपका idea of love is very negative. And what that means is कि जब भी आप किसी को देखते हो, let's say in public, you see a couple together, or let's say around Valentine's, you start to become this person who is secretly hating on these people or disliking the idea. जब भी आप किसी को in public देखते हो who are like together, who are a couple, and आपके अंदर से you don't smile looking at them. Basically, it reminds you of the lack in your life. जब भी आप ऐसे लोगों को देखते हो, you just don't feel very positive about the term love in general. Just because you don't have it in your life yet, आपको लगता है कि क्या है ये सब फालतू की बातें हैं, सब बकवास है. जब ऐसी बातें आपके दिमाग में आती हैं, that means you need to fix that. Point number 4, आप अकेले time spend ही नहीं कर पाते हो अपने साथ. You always need someone to spend time with you. You always need someone for your entertainment, or you just like feel bored otherwise. You always have this need कि मैं किसी से बात करूँ, मैं किसी के साथ बाहर जाऊँ. आप अकेले trips नहीं ले पाते, आप अकेले restaurants में नहीं जा पाते, आप अकेले चीजें नहीं कर पाते. Basically, you're not comfortable with the space that you are in as just you. If you always need somebody to intrude in that space to make you feel a certain way कि जब तक मेरे साथ कोई होगा नहीं तब तक मुझे I won't feel like entertained, I won't feel loved, I don't feel like someone's paying attention to me, I won't feel validated. अगर ये सारी चीजें हैं, if you feel like you can't spend time alone with yourself, then again that's a very strong sign that you're not ready to be in a relationship. क्योंकि always understand, in a relationship आप दोनों को you have to first be comfortable with your own spaces. It's not कि आप किसी और की लाइफ में जब जाते हो you just become everything in their life, and like vice versa. It's when you complement each other's spaces in a way कि आप अपने space में खुश हो, वो अपनी space में खुश है, but then when you come together, it's not like you need like as a necessity to be in each other's life. It's like you just want. It makes your life better. It makes it worthwhile, and it just makes it a lot more beautiful than it was before. It's not like you can't live without them because you just would die if they're not around, but it's just that you don't want to. That's the place that you should be coming from. The last point is that there are a lot of things that trigger you, and there are a lot of things that offend you. अब again इस चीज का ये मतलब है कि जब भी आपसे कुछ बात बोली जाती है and it sort of makes you feel really bad, if it triggers something in you, that just means that there is a lot of unhealed things underlying in your own self, in your own mind, that needs to be worked on. So next time when someone says something and you get really offended, sort of ask yourself this question कि why did I get offended? क्योंकि आप कभी भी किसी चीज से offend नहीं हो सकते until and unless you believe that to be true about yourself. That's the reason you need to figure out what are the unhealed parts of you. If you enter a relationship all unhealed, it would never do any good to you. You're probably not even gonna understand कि what triggered it, कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ, and your partner is gonna make something out of it, you're gonna make something out of it, मतलब कुछ भी अपना meaning, and it's not gonna end well. You need to be able to see the unhealed parts of you and work on them. So guys, इनमें से अगर कोई भी चीज आपके साथ resonate करती है, stop looking for that right person, because this is the fun thing that you first need to work on yourself. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कब you end up meeting this right person, and it'll just happen so naturally and so smoothly. So wait for that to happen. Start to work on yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, again, let me know in the comments below. Join my 21 days Raise Your Vibration challenge, book a one-on-one session with me, or join our Facebook community where we talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and you can find your soul tribe. All the links are in the description below. That is all from me today. I'm going to see you in my next one.